Imagine a world where your proficiency in AI and machine learning doesn't just boost your career prospects but revolutionizes them. In industries like healthcare, finance, and environmental science, the need for AI-driven innovation is more significant than ever. For instance, in healthcare, AI algorithms are being deployed to predict patient outcomes, personalize treatment plans, and even assist in robotic surgeries, thereby enhancing the precision and efficiency of medical services. Similarly, in finance, AI helps in complex risk assessments, fraud detection, and even automates trading strategies, reshaping how firms manage their operations and mitigate risks. The burgeoning field of environmental science also benefits from AI, utilizing advanced algorithms to better predict weather patterns, manage natural resources, and optimize renewable energy sources. Each of these applications not only showcases the breadth of AI's capabilities, but also highlights the diverse career paths available to those skilled in these technologies. The demand for professionals such as data scientists, AI specialists, and machine learning engineers is expected to grow exponentially, driven by industries seeking to leverage AI for competitive advantage and operational efficiency. The accessibility of learning resources in 2024 has dramatically democratized the acquisition of AI and machine learning knowledge. Universities, online platforms, and tech bootcamps are now offering courses tailored to various skill levels, ensuring that anyone from a novice to an experienced programmer can find suitable learning opportunities. These educational resources are often developed and taught by leaders in the field, providing cutting-edge knowledge and practical experience through project-based learning and real-world applications. Mastering AI and machine learning opens up numerous personal and professional growth opportunities. Individuals equipped with these skills can venture into starting their own tech companies, innovating new AI-based products, or offering consultancy services to businesses keen on integrating AI into their operations. The entrepreneurial landscape in the AI space is ripe with possibilities, ranging from developing intelligent systems that improve everyday life to creating solutions that tackle significant global challenges. Furthermore, the AI community offers robust networking opportunities. Attending conferences, participating in workshops, and engaging in online forums can lead to collaborations with other professionals and thought leaders, which can accelerate career growth and inspire innovative projects. Networking also provides a platform to share ideas, gain insights, and stay updated on the latest trends and advancements in AI and machine learning. As we move forward, the role of AI and machine learning in our daily lives and global economies will only deepen. Understanding and utilizing these technologies are crucial for anyone looking to secure a prominent place in nearly any professional field. By investing time and resources in AI education now, you are not just preparing for the future, you are actively shaping it. The skills you develop will keep you relevant in a rapidly evolving job market and provide you with tools to lead and innovate in the digital age. By embracing the power of AI and machine learning, you can ensure that your career does not just grow, it thrives. The potential of these technologies is vast and largely untapped, promising exciting opportunities for those ready to explore and harness them. Start now, propel your career, stay ahead of technological shifts, and be at the forefront of the future.